What if your next coworker isn't a human, but a piece of software? Companies are rushing to automate the modern office, leaving many wondering if their jobs are safe. But to survive this shift, you first need to understand the tool driving it, the AI agent. Unlike a standard chatbot that just answers a single prompt, an agent takes an overarching goal and makes its own decisions. It independently uses your software tools to execute a sequence of actions. Because they can chain tasks together, these agents are already taking over routine office work. Support bots resolve entire tickets, and coding assistants draft full software modules around the clock. But right now, they're acting as massive speed multipliers, not complete human replacements. With the repetitive work handled by software, the skills that matter most are shifting. Uniquely human traits like complex problem solving, critical thinking, and creative strategy are skyrocketing in value. So your next coworker won't replace you, but a human who knows how to direct that AI definitely will.